Fumble a bag, now I will not fumble a bag. Fumble a bag, now I will not fumble a bag. Act like you know how this goes.
Hey guys, welcome back. If you're new, hey, welcome. I hope you join our family. I hope you stick around. And if you're not new, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate you. So, Influencer is a company that they send people products for you to test and you review them. And the way you review them is you could choose to make videos, but most importantly, you write a review on their website, or sometimes they'll have you do different tests. So sometimes you may share your opinions about the product on Instagram or TikTok or that company's website. So let's say if Sephora was to send me something, but it's not specifically from Sephora, it's from Influencer. Sephora has a campaign and they send it to Influencer. Influencer gives it to their members. It's free to sign up, it's free to join. They ask you questions about yourself, like what's your skin type? Because they give out different products. Sometimes they give out skincare and makeup and treats and animal stuff, or animal treats, kids things. Like they give you different things. Like it's different things, different. I hope I'm explaining it better, but I will make a video about all the websites that I use that give me free things. So influencers send me a VoxBox. That's what they're called usually. This is a VoxBox, and it got a little damage because of the rain. Oh wow! So one of them, they send me. I can see it's kind of like some type of jelly, and it actually they bubble wrap it pretty well. As you can see, it's dripping all over my hand. They bubble wrapped this pretty well, but I guess whoever delivered it didn't do such a good job. I'm gonna open these up. This is the other one. The other one didn't spill. They sent me two. This brand is Smuckers, and it's sugar-free blackberry jam. And this one, I can't really see. I'm gonna have to open it up because it's everywhere. So let me open these up, and then I'll show it to you guys. They bubble wrap this thing tight. Okay, so this is one of the jams that they sent me. So this is the Smucker sugar-free seedless black jam, and it's sweetened with Splenda. And it says 80% fewer calories than regular jam, and it's 10 calories per 1 tablespoon. Smuckers. I'm gonna open the other one, but I gotta be careful because, like I said, it is broken. This is the first time I've ever had anything like broken. Does that make sense? This is the first time I had anything break, like while being delivered, if that makes sense. So I finally got it open, and this really cracked really bad. But this was the Smucker sugar-free red raspberry preserves, and it's made with Splenda. Same thing, 80% fewer calories, and it's only 10 calories per 1 tablespoon. It smells good. I'm just so mad it broke. Like it's really broken, as you can see. Like I can't really. I mean, I guess I could put it in a jar, maybe like a mason jar, or maybe I'll do that. I do want to taste them. That's really good. And I'm not doing the whole, I'm just doing like a little bit. I may make me a bagel. This is so good. It does have seeds. I want to taste the other one. I will let my son taste it, but I don't know if he's going to eat it. He probably won't eat it because my son is really picky. He may look at me like, Bert, I'm not eating that. He don't even like jelly. My son is picky. Shout out to all you parents, picky eaters. It's hard. I think my son is one of the pickiest kids on the planet Earth. He don't even like pizza. What kids you know don't like pizza? I'm gonna try the blackberry jam. If I ain't like blackberry, I like it now. This is good, but I do prefer the raspberry one. I'm just mad it cracked. And this tastes really good too. You could tell it's not. You could tell. Let's just say you could tell they're made with Splenda because they're not as sweet. Like this is good. I may go make me a bagel, toast me a bagel. I really like the raspberry one. It's so good. Wow. This blackberry one is good too. I may have to make me a pie or something. Well, no. Is that possible? Because this is jam. What do you make pie? Like, you can make pie with preserves, right? Yeah. I'd rather do it from scratch. I don't know. I may have to make something with this. This is good. I wonder if they left the blackberry seeds in, would it be? I don't know. I like that raspberry one a lot. It's good. It's like really good. I definitely recommend. I like them both, but if I had to pick and choose which one is my favorite, I would say the red raspberry preserve. So maybe I don't know. I need to go try to save the rest, put it in a mason jar. But I may go buy some. I may make some. Look up a recipe because these are preserves. So I'll get some raspberries and make some. But yeah. Thank you so much, Influencer, for sending me this. All my opinions are my own. Thank you so much. If you guys want to sign up with Influencer, I'll leave it below. Thank you so much for rocking with me. Let's see. Let me leave you guys with a message. It's okay to be you. With that being said, thank you guys for coming back and rocking with me, and thank you so much. Let me know down below, would you guys buy this? Let me know. And which one would you get? I'm pretty sure they probably have other flavors too. Maybe blueberry or maybe raspberry. Well, that is relevant. Maybe blueberry or maybe peach or maybe, I don't know, maybe grape. But definitely let me know, would you buy these? I definitely would buy that raspberry one again. I want to taste the blackberry preserves and see is there a difference, because the blackberry one is jam and the red raspberry are preserved. So I wonder with the red, if there is a blackberry jam preserves, does it taste the same as the jam? I'm getting sidetracked, so I'm gonna go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for coming back and rocking with me, and I appreciate you all. Don't let anybody mess up your day today. You are enough, you're beautiful, and remember to love more and just less. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.